Hey, it's Friday. Time for the weekend wrap-up. I want to thank you all for the well wishes of the foot. Infection's gone, doing good. Thank you very much. Been working on Danny's cab here. We got the entire floor finished. Made all the new panels, the pocket for the wood floor section, upper section. Finished the seam in the top of the roof there. Welded up all the edges and the rockers. Making really good headway on that. Come on back this way. We'll take a look at Bob's truck. Working on Mr. Bob's COE. Got a radiator mounts up here. The radiator will fit in at an angle. That little tray across the top's where the air ride's going to go. Whole control center. It's a pretty neat system. You guys are going to really enjoy that. Finished up the motor mounts. Put in some diagonal mounts in the frame rails. Making some real good headway here. And Frank's car. We got Frank's car completely prepped and ready to be re-cleared. Problem is, we got some pretty horrible weather. It was cold as hell today. So probably on Monday or Tuesday, we'll go ahead and re-clear this. But it's completely sanded. It's knocked all down in 600, nice and flat. So we'll go and re-clear that, and then it'll just be a wet sand and rub, and start getting that Raptor liner on it. The deck lid, all the side pieces are all sanded now. Started sanding the hood and the nose to allow to get rid of buffet. And got the bodywork done on the bumper. So when I re-clear this, I'll probably shoot the bumper at the same time. So making some real good headway. Weather held us up a little bit, but we're getting there. You guys have a good weekend. We'll see you next week. You be safe and get to work on those projects.